Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. We're in Marblehead, Massachusetts, and we're going to the Jeremiah Lee Mansion tour. But today we're going to be in Marblehead, Massachusetts, and just look at another small town in New England. This is just so cute, and we are going to take a tour on the mansion, but I won't show you that tour, but we are also that you can do this tour when you're in Marblehead. But we are just going to walk through this town. We're going to do some shops later on today once they open up. But just look at how cute this town is. So, Marblehead, Massachusetts. Why don't you join me? That we're going to go in and do the tour on. I won't show that probably because I don't want to film it. I want you to experience it, but I'll let you know how the tour was afterwards. It's an hour tour. We have reservations, and then afterwards we're going to walk through the town, do a little shopping. But just again, small town, New England, right along the coast. This is just beautiful. It's just lovely. If you look at some of the shots here, they could film a movie in this town. That's what I think. It's just so pretty, in my opinion. Just came out of the Lee Mansion tour, and it was really, really good. We had Karen Fitzgerald. I'm sorry if I'm saying her name, but Karen was a great tour guide, and they take you through the entire house from the first floor all the way up to the attic, and it was really good. So now we're going to walk around this area, and we're going to check out Marblehead. But it was really good. I highly recommend this. This town is really cute. So that's the Lee Mansion. I recommend it here in Marblehead. The main shopping area is up there. We're walking down here now to the water. This is down by I guess you can say the bay. Again, walking down here. Look at this. Old firemen's. Wow. Look at this. Wow. And we're just walking around the streets here. This is so cute. This is the fort seawall. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. And then there's a walkway up here, takes you up even higher. And there's steps down here. I don't know where this leads us, but we're going to check it out. It's a lookout area. Oh, wow. Have a look out down here, and then you have this view, and all those little things down there. If you little will know, all those little buoys, if you can see them, they're lobster traps, and the boats come by and they pick up their lobster, and each of the buoys have a color, and the color is based on that's your buoy. So I pick my color, paint it to that what I want, the stripes, and that's my buoy. So we were up here and we came down here, and this is what we see more of. Look at this. The water's going in there. So that was Marblehead, Massachusetts. Really cute little town, little shops, but this is just breathtaking. Look, this is the fort that we were up on up there. I can't say anything else. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. The waves, the boats coming in. It's a little hot today again. There is a little bit of a breeze. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, Marblehead, Massachusetts, New England. Beautiful summer towns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.